Hello children, today we'll see topic friction as a force. So what is a friction? The force that acts between the object and the surface, which either slows down the object or stops it completely, is called the force of friction. As you know, friction plays an important role in our day-to-day life. So today we'll see some advantages of friction. Friction prevents from slipping on the floor while walking. Friction helps us to write on paper and board. Friction helps to move and stop moving vehicles by using brakes. Friction helps to erase pencil marks using an eraser. Also, friction helps us to light a matchstick on rubbing the rough surface. So now these are all advantages of friction. Now we'll go in detail. Friction prevents from slipping on the floor while walking. Without friction we would slip and fall every time we attempt to walk or run. There is very little or less friction on a wet polished floor. That is why it is easy to slip on such a floor. So friction prevents us from slipping on the floor while walking. Friction helps us to write on paper and board. Without friction, writing on paper is not possible, as there is a friction between the lead of a pencil and the paper, which help us to write on a paper. Friction helps to move and stop moving vehicles by using brakes. Friction also helps us to stop and control movement. For example, the brakes of car or the brakes of bike. Because of friction only, cars and bikes are able to run on roads. So there are friction between the tires and the road. Friction helps to erase pencil marks using an eraser. Yes, so there are friction between the eraser and paper. Friction also helps us to light a matchstick on rubbing the raw surface. Yes, it would not be possible to light a matchstick without friction. So there are friction between its head and the size of a matchstick. So kids, today we saw few advantages of friction. So now you understood why friction is very important for us.